Hi, welcome back. Now I would like to discuss the next station. We have covered until here, right? So today we will proceed to we have actually discussed this one. Let me show you this one. We have finished it. So now we will focus to this one. Alright, find the value of A if the probability for the Z from 0.2 from 0.2 to A inclusive of 0.2 and A is 0.215. So it's very important you focus to the probability value. When I look at that, I will actually talk to myself that the bell shape that I'm going to draw will actually looks like quite small, the shaded region, because the area is representing by probability value, right? So if I shade, it should be less than half of the bell, isn't it? Half of the bell is 0.5, right? So I look at here positive 0.2, so it will be somewhere here, and A should be more than 0.2, right? If you look at the inequality sign. So I'm going to draw a border first. Okay, it's inclusive of the borderline, and the Z is somewhere here, right? So we shade the region, and the region is actually representing by this much. So this area is 0.215. Okay, it's a small area. So we are asking to find the A. So in this case, I will adjust the bell shape like this. Okay, so in order to find the A, we can actually try to work out the area. So half of the bell here is 0.5, right? For this one, you can use your calculator to find, or you can even use your the normal distribution table to find. Let's say I want to use a normal distribution table to find. So if I want to find the area shaded in red color, I should actually find half of the bell and then minus out the 0.2, right? So I have to find 0.2. I will take this area is 0.5 minus probability of Z more than 0.2, right? Do you agree? Is always more than to the right. Okay, let's go to the 0.2. Is quite easy to find. Is exactly the value here, 0.42. This is a 1, right? 0.4207. Okay, so I'm going to take 0.5 minus 0.4207. So let's press the calculator. 0.5 minus 0.4207. So I will get the area is 0.0793, right? Okay, 0.0793 is the area shaded in red color. Okay, since we have the area which is in red color, so we can say that the area for the shaded region for the balance here, we always want the right hand side area for the bell so that we can use a normal distribution table, because the normal distribution table, as you can see, the area is always fixed, right? It's shaded, is defined as area which is more than Okay, property of the area is always more than the z value. So we say z more than a certain value a here. Okay, so we always focus to the area which is which we want the right hand side, shade to the right. So this is the area that we are going to find. So since we got the area for almost everything already except the yellow one, so we can say that this area is actually one whole bell minus out the just now the area that we found, which is 0.0793, and we have to minus out the green area, half of the bell, right, to the left. Okay, so we'll get the balance for the yellow one. Okay, let's press a calculator. That means you can take 0.0793 plus 0.5, isn't it? So you will get 0.5793 for the green and for the red. So it's 1 minus 0.5793. Okay, so 1 minus 0.5793, we will get the area which is 0.4207, right? 0.4207. Okay, all right, so we will have the area which is 0.4207, but 0.4207 we have to minus out the okay, it consists of the yellow and the blue, right, until here. Okay, okay, the yellow one, the area that I shaded should be here. I have to 0.4207 will be the area that is more than z more than 0.2, right? So we will say property for z, we are given the area is 0.215, right? 215 for the blue one. So the yellow one we have to minus out 0.215. We haven't minus out the blue one because we want to get a yellow region, right? So let's minus out 0.215. So the area for the yellow region is 0.2057. 0.2057 is an area shaded in yellow. Okay, now let's go to the normal distribution table. We find 0.2057, which is a probability value, right? Okay, so where is it? It's actually 0.20 something, right? So let's enlarge it. 20, we can't see 2057. We can only get the nearest one, right? The nearest one we have is, okay, let me see, we have to do okay, we have to do adjustment, so it's a bit troublesome. Okay, I can see 0.2061 is the nearest, right? So I will draw the L shape like this. 0.2061. That means if I work out the P and the Z, I will get 0.2061, which is equivalent to 0.82. But my shaded region for the yellow one is just okay, it's just I write here 0.2057. So what I need to do is I need to minus out something, isn't it? I have to minus out 0.004, right? 4 7, you get 1. Okay, yeah, 0.04. We don't have 4, we just have 3, isn't it? Let me see, am I doing the same? It must be same, row. So here, right, 3, the 3 is equivalent to the ZScore 1, so you can find the nearest one, the 3. So if we minus here, we have the plus here, 0.00, because the Z-score here is 0.00. The 3 is equal to 1. So, okay, let's add together. We have 0.821. Okay, 0.821 is the Z-score. So the best answer we can find from the normal distribution table for the A here is, this one is, okay, for this value is 0.821. Alright, so that is the best answer we can find using the normal distribution table. So if you use the new calculator, okay, the new calculator, you want to find the inverse. So my advice to you is you use this area that shaded to the left, right? So I'm going to highlight the area for you. If you are going to use a calculator, you have to find this area. So in short, you have to take 0.5 and then you have to plus with the red one plus with the blue one, or you can say you take okay, 1 minus 0.2057 and then you inverse. Alright, so let's go to the calculator, go to 7.3, right? You go to 7.3, you key in 1 minus 0.2057 and then you just all the way key in, you will get the answer, which is the A is 0.82 from the calculator. The A, if this area is 1 minus 0.2057, this A is from the calculator inverse, the area shaded to the left is 8214. You're getting the same answer, which is more accurate. Alright, so I'm going to show you using calculator to get the answer, but because of this calculator, the area that you focus to must be the area shaded to the left. Okay, so let me I'm going to show you how to use a calculator. Wow, my calculator is so dirty, but it's okay. Let's go to inverse, go to menu, 1 minus 0.2057, you get an answer. Yeah, this is the answer very fast because 0.8214, right? Okay, so make sure the answer is accurate for significant figure and make sure the area is shaded to the left before you press the calculator. Okay, so have fun.